Think, Pair, Share is an easy but impactful active learning strategy to implement in your class, which we recommend using when you ask learners questions. It provides time for learners to brainstorm answers to a problem and opportunities for discussion with classmates. Follow these steps to run a Think, Pair, Share exercise. First, pose a question or a problem to the class related to the content they are learning. Then, allow students time to think about the answer to the question posed. We suggest 1 to 2 minutes, but you can adapt the time depending on the complexity. Accessibility considerations during Think. Ensure the question is clear, properly scaffolded, and that students have the required prerequisite information. Provide the question both orally and in written format, for instance on your PowerPoint slides. If possible, provide the questions in advance. Specify the duration learners will think. Check in to see if most students are ready to move on before doing so. Next, ask students to pair up. Depending on the class size, you could suggest groups of 3 to 4. Have a plan for how students will pair up. For example, pair up with the person next to them, or use place cards on the tables to assign seats for more intentional pairing of students. Ask the students to discuss their answers. Again, you can judge the time, but 3 to 4 minutes often works well. Accessibility considerations for pair. Provide students with a list of tasks written down in steps with timing. For example, share your reflections for 2 minutes each, then work together to generate themes for 2 minutes. This prevents one person from dominating the conversation. Clarify expectations around recording their responses. For example, should they take notes? If yes, who will do this? Step 5. Bring the class back together and ask students to share their thoughts. Depending on the class size, ask one member from each pair to share, or gather thoughts from 2 to 3 groups. You can then poll the class to see whether others had similar or different answers. At this point, if relevant, share the correct solution. Accessibility considerations during share. Give students a heads up, both written and oral, that one or both will be sharing, and state what they will be sharing. Be clear about the time allotted for each student/pair to share. Validate responses by recording them in writing or paraphrasing them. Tip: you can record student responses directly on a PowerPoint for better visibility. For large classes, students can use an online platform, such as a Padlet, for sharing responses during or after the class. Benefits to this activity are that all students are included in the participation, and when given time, students are more likely to elicit thoughtful or correct answers. A possible challenge is the longer time requirement, but typically the entire activity takes less than 10 minutes. Think, Pair, Share does not allow faculty to judge individual students' knowledge because they collaborate on the answers. Therefore, it cannot be used as a grade assessment strategy, but is a great way to help reinforce learning. Integrate the Think, Pair, Share activity into your teaching to cultivate a more dynamic and engaging classroom experience. And visit the CTL if you would like any help implementing active learning strategies.